So this is the jig that I created to do the heat bending for the reproduction Joust plastics. And the way that it works is, you know, a few things here. Underneath we have a heating system with a rod that heats up, and I modified this ever so slightly to change the switch, the power settings that were on there. It was just a toggle on off switch. I put a potentiometer on there so that I could actually adjust the heat, and used a temperature probe to get to the temperature that I actually felt comfortable with for heating up the PETG plastics that CPR had created. And what I ended up doing was laid out everything. I cut a piece of stock to match the angle of the plastics and set up basically this jig so that when the plastics are resting in place, and I'll show that like so, everything lines up. I've got a marking hole right back here, so everything sits in place like this. And then that goes here. It basically just locks in place. And I warm up the plastic for a set period of time. You can actually see the PETG, it'll kind of raise. And then once it hits, it's just above, I guess it'd be the threshold where it's malleable, it starts to relax. And then that's the point where I'll pull the jig up, bend it, and then pull it off the heat source, turn it off, and then let it cool. So in the next video, I will actually do a heat bend of one of these plastics and show you how it comes out. It starts out flat, as you can see, like that, and the end result is one like this, where we get this nice 110-degree bend, so that it can sit in the machine and prevent any balls from leaving the play field. It causes them to roll back down. So like I said, in the next video I will actually do a heat bend and show the results.